In this entire sub-module, what we will learn is we will learn the different types of styling in Ploty package. Again, there are hundreds type of styling in Ploty package that you can think of depending upon the circumstances you have. But there are some of the most frequently used. The first is how you can think of assigning the colors that we will touch upon just in a couple of seconds. And these are something that we will touch upon in our upcoming session. So let's have a code walkthrough regarding first how you can think of assigning the color maps to the plot you have. How you can think of doing that. Again, let's try to relate it with a real world example. So let's say in context of this scatter plot, how you can think of assigning the color map. So here we have a very interesting parameter, which is my color parameter. Look at this. This is a color parameter we have. We say, okay, let's assign color on the basis of my rating feature. The moment I will execute this line of code, let me show you what exactly my color map is all about. Look at this. This is a color map that you have. It means more the color goes more towards the yellowish side, higher the rating we have. It means this is that area, this is that area, or if you want to select it, you can say, okay, this is that area. You can just select it using a double click and things goes automatically. Sounds good. So this is that area in which I have some of the most highest rated restaurants available. Cool. Again, there are a couple of interesting things that you can do it on top of the scatter chart. Look at this. We can think of zoom in, we can think of downloading it, we can think of panning, we can think of selecting that, lasso selection, lot of other options we have. We have reset axis, then we can produce it with the Ploty logo model. Lot of things. Let's say if I will select this one, look at this. This is something. And if I want to zoom out, just double click. That's it. Extremely simple. Again, Ploty is extremely used if you really need the interactive visualization or if you want to play with the visualization that you have. Ploty is a god over there. So in the upcoming session, what we will learn is we will learn how you can think of customizing the template in the Ploty that you have. So that's all about it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep learning, keep growing, keep practicing.